Okay, today I am going to be vacuuming the very dirty kitchen with my Eureka Airspeed Multicyclonic pet vacuum. So here we go. We'll see how it does on vacuuming the dirty kitchen. Eureka Airspeed Multicyclonic Pet Vacuum did a very good job on vacuuming the dirty kitchen. As you notice here, I used the hose for the first time on video, and I hope you enjoyed it. The hose on this is extremely powerful, and it is also really stretchy, and I really like that. So yeah, we have a nice clean kitchen now, and this vacuum picked up a whole lot of stuff, if you can look in there. If I take this off, it'll be a lot easier to see. But it picked up quite a bit of stuff. If you look in there, that's all that it picked up. What a phenomenal job this vacuum really did. May not look like a lot, but it is. In reality, that's a lot of stuff in there. It looks different in real life than it does on camera. But yeah, that's all that it picked up. I think it did, once again, a really good job. It even has a nice washable filter there. I'm going to be washing that out again pretty soon. I already washed it when I first got this vacuum, but I'm going to be washing it out again because it needs a new cleaning pretty soon. I'm sorry I can't talk, but yeah. This is going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. I was kind of overdue to make this kind of video, so I finally did it now. So hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to have a great rest of your day. Again, this is not the best video, but it's the best I can do.